How to change from line to candle in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the graph. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chart option. Tap on chart. So as you can see, the chart is in a line form. Now in order to change it, here you can see this filter option. Tap on filter. So these are the tools available. Now you can simply select on chart type. So there are different type of, so select the one with which you want to change. So here I'm selecting candles, and now if you go back, it has been completely changed. The chart has been completely changed to candle format. So you can trade it accordingly and use the statistics accordingly. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.